Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen my previous videos, if not, my name is Shauna. I am a New York City based model and makeup lover, and today I have a photo shoot, so I just wanted to go through the process of I know I've done one video before of my makeup for a photo shoot, but I wanted to do another. And I would say usually when I do a more fashion oriented shoot, I tend to tone the makeup down some. I still don't do a bare bones makeup look that a lot of fashion looks do, but I do tone it down so that the clothing speaks more than the makeup, and definitely that's what I'm doing today. I am primarily going to be using the Stupid Love palette from Haus. Honestly, not a lot of the color. Like I know I'm mainly going to be pulling in the silver and the blue under the eye, and then I'm going to be taking the Glam Room #1 palette and honestly probably only pulling the black color from this just to smoke it out some. And I'm going to use one of the Glam Attacks to add a little bit as well. And I know I'm going to do a more neutral lip, but basically this is the outfit I'm wearing for the shoot because this is a very, very fitted dress and I have to get this on before I do my makeup or hair or anything, or it's just going to make a mess of it. And I essentially wanted to do a patriotic shoot and show what being an American represents for me, because I don't think it's the typical thing that people think of when they think of being an American. I mean, probably a lot of my peers, it's something similar, but essentially for me, it's about being able to express who you are, being able to be who you are no matter who you are. And I feel that that's something that the far right has tried to eradicate in recent years. And it's important that we stand up and that we show that we are okay who we are, no matter who we are. And I am proud to be a trans woman. And while I have not in recent years been proud to be an American, I hope that that's something that we can change in the future and create a better community globally and especially nationally. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today, and stay tuned until the end for some of the photos from the photo shoot, and let's get into it. So first I'm going in with the shade Plastic Doll on a fluffy brush in and slightly above the crease, and I'm just taking this all throughout that area, and this is just to give some shadow really and a slight color, but more than anything a shadow. Next, I'm going in with the shade Enemy, and this is a warm matte orangey shade, and this is to add some warmth and a little bit more depth to the crease area. Next, with a flat brush on the lid, I am taking the shade Free Woman, and this is a nice silver, slightly gunmetal color. Next, I'm going in with the shade Light Up, and this is a lighter silver tone, and this is to just add a little more brightness to the inner section of the lid. So everything else has been from the Stupid Love palette, and this is from the Glam Room #1 palette, and I'm taking the matte black shade, which it does have a name. I believe it's Top Hat. It's a little tricky to figure out. It's either Top Hat, actually I think it's called Spotlight. It's a little tricky because the color names are on the back of the palette. And basically I'm just creating some line work here, and I definitely had some struggle with this. You see me going in quite a lot, and it partly was to get it even and also just figure out how thick I wanted it to be. So there was definitely a lot of back and forth with this. once I reached a place where I was relatively happy with the black liner work, I took the color Sign on a flat brush, a smaller flat brush on the bottom, and just smoke that out a little. And this was just to have a little pop of color since the rest of it was pretty neutral. And I will say that I definitely had some fallout, I think both from the black shade and the cobalt blue Sign color. So I didn't put this on film, but I mean, I edited it out, but I did just want to note that I had to go back in with concealer, and before going in with bronzer and highlight, I just had to clean that up a bit. And now I am just curling my lashes. As always, I am going in with the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I am actually thinking about getting the KVD mascara to try it out because Ulta has it on sale right now for Black Friday. I may do that. And now, as always, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker in the shade Shady Biz, and just placing that on the cheeks, nose, around the hairline, and the jawline. And now I'm going in with the Double Down Cosmetics, the Status Highlighter. It is a rose gold tone, and it is one of my absolute favorite go-to highlighters. So this is the mostly completed look. I, of course, have to wear a mask to get to the shoot location. So I am going to wait until I get there to do the lip, but I'm going to use the Lil Riot lip gloss in Venus. It's a nice peachy pink nude color. And then I am going to line a little bit with the Rip Lip Liner in Myth. And it's a slightly darker pinky nude color. So yeah, it's, as I said, it's a fairly simple look for me. I did want to mostly focus on the line around the eyes, and that is absolutely not my forte. So I try to smoke it out, but even then, it's a difficult time for me to get it perfectly even on both sides. And I know it's not 100% even, but I think I got it mostly even. And I wanted to have a little bit of a pop of blue on the bottom. So yeah, I am about to do my hair. I'm going to wave it with the Amika High Tide Waver tool just to give it some more texture and volume. And yeah, I'm looking forward to the shoot, and we'll of course post photos at the very end. So until next time, stay safe and stay well. Bye.